back at the park. We're back at the park. Garden. It was supposed to be that way. Oh. Okay. Isn't that the way I'm going? Because we trust mushrooms. I just want to pink mommy. It was so great to me and mama at the same time. Cook at the same time, and a pink butterfly and a pink monster truck. Are you wet, Barbara? Garden. Where are you going, Monarchy? Monarchy! Monarchy! Hold your food. Look, boys. Hopscotch. Mama, you got to hold your food. Should we hop on the logs again? Not these bricks, those logs.
Oh, these.
That one first.
Show us, Maddie, how it's done.
That one, log, and then that log, and then that log, and then this log, and then this log.
Oh. It's like an interpretive dance. There he goes. You got it?
No.
Yes, you do.
Well.
Bongo! What great balance you guys have.
Waiting for you. I can't move. Daddy's coming back. Did it!
You tricked us. I'm like, whoa!
Why? I told the mama.
Oh, you got it, man. Boom.
Never went.
What are you all eating for your snack today?
Oranges!
Go on, dig in. It's snack time.
Snack. Time. Snack. Maybe I see something. I will play with you.
With me?
No.
Oh, with Maddie?
Yeah.
Hendrix is ready. Hey guys.
Come on, Hendrix.
Mm.
Woody! Mama!
It's a Woody.
Who will read this Woody?
It's so beautiful here.
Maddie would like hopping on the bricks. Can we go hopping on the bricks, Mama?
Let's go. Find the first letter of your name on these tiles. Can you find it?
Yes.
Look around for the first letter of your name on these beautiful tiles.
L.
Where is it? It's your job to find it. Well, if the M is up there,
Hopscotch.
the L can't be too far from that.
Hopscotch.
Bubby, does this look familiar?
That's not my name.
Yeah, it's your letter. What letter?
See? With this straight line and this cross. This thing. And that's my name.
It's H.
8.
Mm-hmm. Hop.
Hop, hop, hop.
Come on, let's quicken this area. Hop, hop, hippity, hop, hop.
Hop. Could be a hop, hop, hop. Can we do that again? Let's go to another section, Mama.
Okay.
Don't worry, we just follow our footsteps back. Okay.
A what?
A pea pod. A pea pod. Pea pods.
Oh,
Pods.
interesting.
Do you love these, Mama? You can take the peas out.
Oh, thank you. We'll make pea soup.
Pea soup?
They'll collect them for us. Whoop! All right, Hendrix. The pea pods.
Pea pods.
This might be a Palo Verde.
What a birthday.
So you can't burn this wood. It's toxic. The smoke is toxic if you burn the Palo Verde wood. I spy prickly pears.
Pears. Baby cactus.
Sure is.
Don't worry, we just follow our footsteps back. Okay.